Hi, boys and girls. We're going to go ahead and move on with our clouds booklet here. And we're going to review the ones that we've gone over, and we will go over our new one today. And there's a video with real live examples of what a stratus cloud looks like and what it is composed of. Okay, so let's get to reviewing what why we're studying clouds. Okay, so first off, it starts with the weather. Okay, so weather is the day-to-day conditions of a particular place, including temperature, clouds, precipitation, and air pressure. Okay, so we are going to talk about precipitation at the end of our booklet here. Okay, and the temperature. So this weekend I went up to a place called 29 Palms, and it was so hot. The temperature was way different than it was here. It was 100 degrees, and the clouds did not look like this. This is what the clouds looked like when we got home, okay? But when I was in 29, it was clear skies, and I saw a lot of the clouds we had already learned about, the cumulus clouds. We saw some cirrus clouds, and as we started to get home, we saw more of the stratus clouds, okay? So that's all important, and the reason we're learning about clouds is because they have something to do with the water cycle, which is what's going to be next after we finish the clouds, okay? So then we have just what clouds are. Clouds are condensed water vapors in the atmosphere. Clouds form when tiny drops of water and ice join together in the sky, and they stick together real tight, okay? So they create clouds, and there's a lot of different types of clouds. So just as review, the cumulus clouds, they're white, puffy clouds that look like giant cotton balls in the sky. They're a sign of good weather. I saw a lot of these up in 29 Palms. And that's when you can form them into things, okay? Oh, I see a bunny. I see a dog, I don't know, whatever you can think of, you can form it into something, okay? Then we talked about the cirrus clouds, okay? Those are the wispy ones. They're spread out more. They're higher up in the sky, okay? They're thin and wispy clouds that sit high up in the sky. They warn us that the weather might change soon. And I did see that because as we started driving home towards Aliso Viejo, the clouds did change, okay? And they changed into our cloud of the day today, which is the stratus clouds. Stratus clouds sit low and cover the sky like a gray blanket. They warn us that rain could be coming, okay? Not that it is completely, but that it could be. As we started getting closer to home, the blue skies turned gray, and the temperature went way down, okay? So it was only, when we got home, it was only like 72 degrees. So we went from 100-degree weather out in the desert to weather that was said the temperature was 72 degrees here, and the clouds looked like this. So there was a huge difference in the weather. Okay, so that stratus clouds is what we're going to be talking about, and this is your booklet. Okay, we've already done the cumulus clouds, and we're using cotton balls to do an example of what that cloud looks like. Okay, we did the cirrus clouds, and now we're on the stratus clouds. Okay, so the stratus clouds sit low in the sky. They're down, remember, it's kind of like a blanket. They cover the sky like a gray blanket, often blocking out the sun. They are usually dark gray or black. Okay, they warn us that rain or a storm is coming. So if you see these clouds, it's time to get inside quick. Okay, so the sun is up there, but this blanket is covering the sun. You can't see the sun anymore. Okay, and so I colored this with a little bit of paint if you have a marker or something, or you can use gray construction paper, whatever, but I just used a cotton ball and I painted it and then smushed it down so it kind of looked like a blanket covering the ground. Okay, so that is the stratus clouds. So we've gone over the cumulus clouds, cirrus, and now the stratus clouds, okay? All right, so I hope you enjoyed learning about the stratus cloud.